Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That might have been a little too loud. What in the world? I really should probably do something with my hair, but I don't have much time until he wakes up, so I'd rather eat lunch. So I'm probably gonna go eat lunch instead of doing my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this fall look. It's pretty much all matte except for the highlighter on the cheeks and this gloss. Don't mind my hair, we don't know what's happening. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so starting out, I'm moisturizing my face with the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. And then for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline SuperStay. And just dotting that all over my face and blending it out with my damp beauty blender. By the way, I am holding the baby right now and he is finding his voice. So if you hear him talking at all through this voiceover, that's why. And then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and applying that under my eyes. Center of my forehead to highlight a little bit, my chin, and around my nose, anywhere I kind of have some red spots. I think he wants to do my voiceover. I don't know if you guys can hear him, but then I'm just blending that out again with my damp beauty blender. To set everything, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder and just applying that under my eyes and the rest of my T-zone. So for my transition shade on my lid, I'm actually going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, just kind of buffing that into my crease a little bit. I'm then taking the L'Oreal Infallibile Shadow in the color Endless Pearl and popping that all over my lid and really trying to keep it below my crease. Then taking this Wet n Wild palette, I'm going to be taking this warm brown shade on the end and working that on the outer third and into my crease. I'm then taking this lighter shade and popping that on my brow bone just to highlight a bit. And then I'm going to be mixing this brown shade and the brick shade together and then just really concentrating that on the outer third of my eye and working it into my crease and just kind of building it up layer by layer. Then I am taking the L'Oreal Voluminous liner in the color Noir, and this is a new product that I've been trying and I've actually really been loving it. It has like the sharpest tip on a felt tip liner I have ever used. It's not the absolute blackest liner ever, but I really like the fine tip and it makes it really quick and easy to create a cat eye. Then going back into my butter bronzer, I'm applying that to my cheekbones, or just under my cheekbones, my forehead, and under my chin a little bit. And then for blush, I'm going to be using the Butter Blush. I forget the color that I have, but I will list all of the colors and names of everything down below, like always. So I'm just kind of taking that and dusting it on the apples of my cheeks. Then taking the Milani highlighter in the color Afterglow, I'm popping that on the high points of my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead and my brow bone as well. Then I'm going to be filling in my brows, and this is a product that I got in a subscription box, and I have no idea what it's called because there's no name on it, but it's just like a taupe colored pencil. So I'm just kind of filling them in a little bit, and then I'm going to be setting them with the Rimmel Clear Brow Gel. Then going back into the Wet n Wild palette, I'm taking that dark brown shade and really concentrating it on the outer third of my eye. I like to do this after liner, that way I don't do it too dark because at this point the look really starts to come together, so I can just kind of deepen it up a little bit if needed. I'm then also popping the Milani highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes to keep that area nice and bright. And then I'm going to be curling my eyelashes and setting my face with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. So for mascara, I'm starting with the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer and just like to apply this to the outer third of my lashes and just kind of keep it really close to my lash line to thicken things up. And then I'm going in with the Lash Paradise over the top and really coating my lashes. And then I'm going to be taking the Clinique High Impact Mascara, which mine is pretty dried out at this point, and I really just use it to separate my eyelashes and kind of fan them all out. And I also use this mascara to coat my lower lashes as well. So I just kind of like tap that along the lower lash line just to give them a little bit of color. And then for lips, I'm going in with this Vivid Hot Lacquer, and I will list the color down below, but I'm absolutely loving this color for every single day, and this lip product is amazing, super comfortable and pretty. So yeah guys, that is absolutely it for today's look. I really hope you enjoyed it and didn't mind Babe in the background. He has the hiccups, sorry about that. Love you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!